Hi everyone, this is Jupiter Jim. Thanks so much for checking out my Aweber crash course. First of all, if you bought the Aweber crash course version 1 or 2.0, you do not have to purchase this course because you automatically get the free upgrade. If you buy this version, the Aweber crash course 3.0 version, you will automatically be upgraded to the 4.0 version when that comes out. Now that we get that out of the way, I just want to let you know I've discovered there's basically two types of people in this world. People that use and love Aweber and people that know other people that use and love Aweber. And the reason that's important to you is because when you purchase this course, you will be given unrestricted PLR rights. What that means is that you can turn around and sell this course to other people with PLR rights, so your customers can turn around and sell this course to other people. So people are more likely to buy this course from you if they know they can turn around and sell it to other people. So it just makes it an easier sale for you. If you're just interested in learning about Aweber, you're going to love this course because you can become an Aweber instant authority in 3 hours or less. Everything, of course, comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Right now, for the Aweber Crash Course versions 1.0 and 2.0 combined, the refund rate is 0.41%. What that means is for every 200 people who buy the course, less than one asks for a refund. So it's a very high-quality course. It is the best Aweber course on the market today. I know you're going to love it. Everything, once again, comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Thanks again for checking out this page. Before you leave, don't forget to click the buy button, and you can thank me later. Thanks again for checking this out. Take care, and have a great day.